In this part of video we are going to discuss about CSS and JavaScript. CSS allows us to get the format of the website without changing the underlying structure. It is easier to change the style of an element by modification in the CSS file. We need to set the style for each element only once. CSS code is lesser than HTML code. Less code makes the web page load faster. When we use CSS, it makes website designing quick and efficient. But nowadays, most of the latest browsers support CSS, so the compatibility issue is reduced. Now we are going to discuss about JavaScript. Web pages made up using HTML were static. Due to the growth of internet, there was huge demand for interactivity. This demand for interactive web pages created the need for a new web programming language. Netscape developed JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language that allows you to add programming aspects to your web page. JavaScript is a scripting language. A scripting language is simple, lightweight programming language that does not contain advanced programming functionalities. JavaScript can be inserted directly in the HTML code. Most of the web browsers support JavaScript. The most common form of JavaScript application is client-side script, which runs inside web browser. JavaScript is used to validate the entered data in HTML form before it is submitted to the server. Validations are like checks before submitting the form to the server. We can check like if any required field is left empty, if the entered email address is valid, to check equality of contents of two different fields, to check if the entered date is valid or not, to check if entered data is permitted in particular field. For example, if user has entered numeric data in a text field, it will show error. JavaScript code is inserted in an HTML page using script tag. JavaScript is case sensitive language. Script can be placed inside body or head section of HTML page, but it is preferred to insert code in head section.